Consider a vector v in two-dimensional space in component form -2, 5. Determine the unit vector in the same direction as v expressed in component form. Now, unit vector is a vector with magnitude 1. And the way you find the unit vector, which is given to you as like a vector with a little hat-looking thing, is you take the vector that you're given and divide it by the magnitude of the vector. Now, the magnitude is the absolute value, is the direction. So we have the vector, so that's good news. What I need to do is I need to find the magnitude of this, and we do that by doing basically the Pythagorean theorem. So the magnitude is going to be the big square root of -2 squared plus 5 squared. Okay, -2 squared is 4, 5 squared is 25. So that is going to be the square root of 29. Obviously, I don't need to go much further than that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my vector, which was -2, 5, and I'm going to divide both of the things on the inside by the square root of 27, which ends up being my unit vector is going to be -2 over the square root of 29 and 5 over the square root of 29. And for some reason, this problem isn't making me rationalize this, which, hey, I'm not going to complain about that at all. I hate doing that. But there you go. The answer is going to be A.